Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now guys, have you wondered where the hell is the bomb RSA? Or Andiswa the bomb? Like, this girl just went MIA, okay? The last time I checked, she was in hospital. She was sick and she never came out to explain what was happening, which I feel like she doesn't have to because I feel like it's private. But I felt she just resurfaced on my For You page out of nowhere. And I'm like, what? You? Where the hell have you been? Girl, like, she barely posts. Like, where the hell have you been, girl? We missed you. And I like the fact that she's doing her own thing and she's away from drama, literally. But like, damn girl, where have you been? No YouTube video yana, vlogging yana. And before she disappeared on social media, the only things that she would post, because I know you'll be like, yeah, you're a reporter, you should know. Yeah, she would only post like posts that only includes partnerships, brand deals. Like, she never posted anything to entertain us, literally. Like, I literally forgot about this girl. I hope she's back to entertain us. That's why we followed her in the first place, girl. But if it's because of her health or also she's in school, so I do understand that. But girl, we miss you. Come back. Please, when you're done with your exams, come back. And when you're feeling better, please come back. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you on my next video.